Hi everyone, welcome to Make Studies. Today we are going to learn block diagram of different parts of air handling unit. We will try to understand the different parts of air handling unit with a simple block diagram. Look at this diagram. We have specified each part with a different color so that you can get the basic idea or the placement of each component in air handling unit. Look at this rectangle metal box. This is housed all individual components of the air handling unit and it is called casing. It is basically AHU envelope. And we have already learned that there are three different sides of each air handling unit. This is fresh air side, and this side is for supply air, and here it is return air side. These all are dampers. If the air handling unit is used to supply fresh air only, then this return air will not be there. We will discuss all these things later on. The function of the damper is very simple. It used to regulate the air. The damper which is placed at fresh air system or fresh air side, that is called fresh air damper. The damper which is placed at supply air side, that is called supply air damper, and the damper which is placed at return air path is called return air damper. We will learn all the individual components of air handling unit in our subsequent videos. Here we are just giving a brief idea of AHU components in this block diagram. Let's see the internal components of air handling unit. Let's start from the left side. Look at the AHU closely. On the left side there is a vacant space. This is called mixing box. Here fresh air and return air is mixing. That is why it is called mixing box. This air is not conditioned. This is basically unconditioned air. It has pollutants. The temperature of the air may be very high or it may be very cold also. So first we have to place some filtration system. AHU consists of a series of filters. This is pre-filters. All the coarse particles will be filtrated with the help of pre-filters. And after pre-filter, there is a different kind of filters to filtrate small particles, and this is called bag filters. It is also called final filters. And after filtration, if the air is very hot, it needs to be cool. So there is a cooling arrangement. So this is cooling coil. And after cooling coil, air may carry moisture, so it needs to be removed. So there is a moisture separator, and after moisture separator there is a heating coil. If the air is very cold, especially in winter condition, or if the air is having moisture particles after moisture eliminator as well, then this moisture needs to be removed with the help of a heating coil. And after heating coil, there is a fan and motor assembly for the circulation of air wherever it is required. So this is the fan and motor assembly. So this is the basic block diagram of air handling unit, and in the next video we will explain each and every items, their functions, so that you can get a clear view of individual components of air handling unit. So thank you so much.